This is Blair with Coro Medical, home of AED.us, and today we're going to go over how to change the pads and battery in the Lifeline View and Lifeline ECG AEDs. To prepare for an emergency, you want to keep the electrodes connected to the unit at all times. The pads have a 2-year expiration. The expiration date is located on the outside of the package. To find this date, flip the device over and look for the date on the outside. You're going to change the pads at the time of expiration or if you use the AED. To install or replace the adult electrode pads, unplug the connector from the top of the device and pull out the pads. Then you're going to take the new set, slide that in the back, and plug in the connector. The battery has a 4-year expiration. It is also located in the back of the AED. To replace that, you move the pads over, pop the battery out, take the new one,
performing battery test. Battery okay. Powering off.
Once you change the pads and batteries, verify the ready indicator is flashing green and the AED is rescue ready. If you have any questions or need to talk about purchasing options, please feel free to give us a call. Our number is 800-695-1209, or you can go online to www.aed.us. Thanks for watching.